ordered something from StewMac.com. Just kind of a starter stuff. Yay! There's the StewMac catalog. A little hey, get a bunch of strings. The stuff I ordered. I opened the bag. One of each type of their fret wire. So let's see. Corner should be that. One of every single one they have to offer on their page 8 catalog. Ordered 10 classical guitar nuts and 10 regular acoustic or electric guitar nuts. 3 sets of new bridge pins and some locking straps. I have to tear that apart in a little while and find out how it works, but not right now. I gotta go to work. Just wanted to share a little. Matter of fact, this goes to work with me. Cool.